Hello editing squad and welcome to my channel. Today I will be editing this lonely winter road photo in Lightroom Mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end to see the result, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet then click on the subscribe button below and press the bell notification icon to get the latest updates whenever I post a new video. So, let's start editing. Import the photo in Lightroom. Increase the exposure to positive 0.40. Change the contrast to positive 64. Decrease the highlights to negative 59. Increase the shadows to positive 35. Increase the whites to positive 47. Decrease the blacks to negative 33. Now move over to the temperature section. Increase the temperature to positive 4. Increase the vibrance to positive 46. Increase the saturation to positive 39. In the color section, for red, increase the hues to positive 37, and the saturation to positive 27. For orange, decrease the hue to negative 38, and the saturation to negative 14. For yellow, decrease the hues to negative 50 and increase the saturation to positive 20. For green, increase the hues to positive 46 and the saturation to positive 34. For blue, increase the hues to positive 20 and the saturation to positive 17. For purple, increase the hues to positive 1, decrease the saturation to negative 38, and increase the luminance to positive 22. Keep the rest as it is. In the color grading section, select the shadows, midtones, highlights, and global tones as shown in the video. Make sure to adjust the blending value, balance, and luminance of all three of those as shown in the video. The exact values for all of these are provided in the description below. In the next section, decrease the texture to negative 21. Increase the clarity to positive 14. Increase the details to positive 62. Add a vignette of negative 18 and increase the highlights to positive 32. Now export the photo to your device. That was all for today, guys. Let me know how you would have edited this photo. I will do my best to respond to all the comments, and as always, if you enjoyed the video then click on the like button and press the subscribe button and bell notification icon below to get notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, peace out. Going back, shawty with me, I step